I remember the doctor calling us and being like, I don't know how you were walking and doing all of these things with how severe the injury was. So I injured my knee playing volleyball. I was playing in a club tournament, and it was just one of those situations where I went up for, I think it was a hit, and I ended up coming down, landing on somebody else's foot. And I kind of got up, brushed it off, didn't really think much of it. And I kept playing volleyball. I finished out my season and I started doing track. It was right after one of our first practices that I knew something was up, something wasn't right, because I had been doing rehab with my athletic trainer and it wasn't getting better. My knee was still giving out. I couldn't land on it. And I remember there was one indoor practice that we had for track, and I did my first full-on throw of the season, and I landed on my bad knee and it just gave out. And I sat on the floor and I was like, I don't know what's going on. I just know that something's wrong and I need to go get it checked out. Looking towards the future, I knew that track was where, I had the most opportunities ahead of me. And so that's why I kind of decided, I was like, wow, this is something I need to take seriously. We had an athletic trainer contracted through Ascension at our high school. And so his first recommendation was, all right, go see somebody at OSMS. They have a really good reputation, especially for your kind of injury. I ended up hyperextending my knee so much to the point where I completely severed my ACL, and my meniscus was also completely torn. So the procedure I ended up having done was a complete ACL reconstruction with the patellar tendon, and then also a complete meniscus repair. So in track and field, I am a thrower. So I do shot, discus, and javelin. There's a lot of spinning and a lot of power that's involved in the lower body. And so that was something I was really nervous about coming back to, because I wasn't sure if I'd ever be back to 100% strength again with my injury. And so I can say that I'm, back even more than I thought I would be. So that was really exciting, just to know that the whole process was worth it. I have shattered every single high school personal best that I had just in this year alone. So that's really, really motivating to know that it was a really hard time and a really hard injury that I had to come back from, but I came back stronger than ever, and I never would have expected that. Thanks to OSMS, I'm back.